I'm Better Call Chad, and it's gonna be 3 quick and easy tips on how to improve your St. Augustine grass. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate all the love, and check out bettercallchad.com for more information. Now let's get right into this video. Tip 1 is cut your lawn at 4 inches or higher. St. Augustine loves to be cut at a taller height. And then mow often. You want to make sure you're mowing every 5 to 7 days in the summertime. And then with that thick St. Augustine grass blade, sharpen that mower blade at least 4 times a year at minimum. If you can sharpen it at least every month, that's ideal, but 4 times a year at minimum is ideal to keep that mower blade sharp. Mix iron into your program. Now, St. Augustine does like nitrogen, 2 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet per year, depending on, of course, local restrictions and sandy, loamy, clay soil. So all that matters. But another important thing is add iron into that program, because that iron is going to give you the color that you want without promoting too much growth. That St. Augustine can start to grow really fast, especially in the hot and rainy season. It might be too much to mow. So if you just want to add color, make sure to utilize iron in your program to keep that green without adding too much nitrogen to promote too much growth. And too much nitrogen, which creates thatch in St. Augustine, which can be a huge problem in St. Augustine grass. Tip 3 is loosen the ground and add soil to thin, bare, and problem areas. If you have these problem areas that are thin, bare, and not growing as much, don't leave them alone and hope they just fix themselves. Sometimes they kind of will, but most of the times they won't. You need to get out there and be proactive and fix those areas. And the best way is gonna be loosening up the ground in that area, either with a little aerating tool or a total aerator, and even shoveling up if the area is bare enough. Just loosen that soil, and then you wanna add a good soil on top, a good topsoil. One of my favorites is mixing black cow and sand together, getting command soil, but any good nutrient-rich soil, adding it to those areas is gonna make a world of difference, and you're gonna be wondering why you didn't do this sooner. Now make sure you apply 2 to 3 inches thick in that area. Yes, I know it sounds like a lot, but it always settles to half. So you almost think about putting twice as much as you think you need, because within a week or 2, that soil's gonna settle down. Now you may need to reapply, and that's okay. Make sure to check that area every 60 to 90 days and keep reapplying soil as needed until that area improves. I promise it will, and I promise you'll be kicking yourself wondering why you did not do it sooner. Now, I'm Better Call Chad, and these are 3 quick and easy tips. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I always appreciate the support, and check out bettercallchad.com. Everyone have a great rest of your day.